Hello again, it's time for this week's recipe. In honor of Earth Day, we're making cups of dirt. Here's what you'll need: a medium or large bowl, a Ziploc bag, a spoon, chocolate pudding, a clear cup, milk, Cool Whip, gummy worms, and Oreos. First, make the pudding. Open the package and pour it into the bowl. Use a measuring cup to pour 2 cups of milk into the bowl. And mix until it is smooth. You can use a spoon or a whisk to stir. Set the pudding aside for 5 minutes to thicken. While the pudding thickens, take 3 or 4 cookies, place them in your Ziploc bag, and break them apart. You can crush them with your fingers or bang on them with your fist. Set it aside for later. Now mix a container of Cool Whip into the pudding and mix until it's fully combined. Now take a clear plastic or glass cup, pour 1/3 of the cookie crumbs into the bottom, then place 2 or 3 scoops of pudding mixture on top. Continue to layer the cookie crumbs and pudding, leaving your last layer of cookie crumbs. Then place gummy worms on top. Finally, place it in the refrigerator to cool for an hour. Voila! You made a cup of dirt. Enjoy!